Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit money in XM app. Before you can start trading on XM app, you need to deposit funds into your trading account. The app makes it simple by offering multiple payment methods like banks, transfer, cards and e-wallet. Once deposited, your money appears in your account. First, you need to launch any of the Google web browser. At the top, there's an address bar typed on xm.com. Enter it and simply log in the top right. Once you get into this interface of XM, what you can do is you can simply go to this more icon in the left hand side. At the top, simply swipe a bit until you find to this funding here. Click onto this funding. Under this funding, we can find there's an option with a deposit. Click onto this deposit here. Over here, you need to verify account. You can either deposit with your net alerts or your Visa or debit card as well. And you can enter the deposit amount as well. Follow the card instructions based on your method, card, bank or wallet and confirm the deposit after that. And that is it. Depositing money in XM is quick and easy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.